today I'm just going to show you all how you finalize your project on Airflow's MVHR selection software. So I have a demo selection here where I've put together a test project. MVHR1 is one of our duplex-based PS models, which can be either floor-mounted, ceiling suspended, or externally roof-mounted. We've got MVHR02, which is our duplex-based PT model, which is our vertical stock standard products, very compact vertical heat recovery unit. We have our Duplexvent Multi-Eco, which is our bespoke unit, suitable for ceiling suspending, floor standing, various options of water heaters, electric heaters, DX coolers, water coolers. We have our Multi-Eco V, which is the vertical version with all the spigots from the top. Our Multi-Eco N, which is our rooftop model. Our Rotary thermal wheel. And our Rotary N thermal wheel, suitable for externally mounting. So once you're happy with your selections, you would go to Project and Print. This is then going to export a full technical specification for you with all the product details. You see here I've got all the units selected at the moment. You can deselect one if you only wanted MVHR selection for one unit or for several, but it's best to have all the units selected. And then across on the left you've got the options of what you want for the exported technical specification. Again, it's best practice to keep all of these selected. Once you're happy, you'd go to export to file and you can print to a PDF. The PDF then prints out like this. You've got the technical specification here. For display purposes, you've got my details and Airflow's details here, but you'd have the customer details, for example, at the top, and then your details, or again, Airflow, the manufacturer's details, as made by. First page is always an overview of the unit with a dimensional drawing, fan curves, noise data. You've got the heat recovery section, so it's showing here this is 90% efficient in terms of the heat recovery based on -5 outside. You've got electric preheater selected on this one built in, and the filtration details there, controls, ERP data, and then dimensional drawings again, details of the heat recovery in both summer and winter, psychometric charts, finally installation details and wiring diagrams. This stays the same for all the models, so you've then got the PT, which is the vertical unit, the fan curves and noise data. Here we've got details of a built-in water heater coil, the heat recovery. This one's at 93%. Filtration, controls, ERP, dimensional drawings, psychometric charts, details of the floor mounting kit, and the wiring diagrams. We've then got the Multi-Eco. See here we've chop and changed the spigot connections around. Shows you the manipulation space, the fan curves, noise data, heat recovery on this, 95% based on the selection we've gone with. Water heater built in, DX cooler built in, filters detailed, ERP, dimensional drawings, summer and winter operation, psychometric charts. Then as we keep going down the wiring diagrams, then on to the next selection, Multi-Eco V, the vertical version. Again, same options. This time we've got a heat recovery of 92%, DX cooler and electric heater, psychometric charts. Finished with the wiring diagrams. Multi-Eco N, which is the external version. Again, same details. Multi-Eco N heat recovery is at 96%. And then towards the end, we've got our Rotary thermal wheel units. This is the 2500, very compact Rotary thermal wheel. And finally, we have the external Rotary thermal wheel unit. Larger units do come in 3 sections for easily to be mounted on site. Just to see heat recovery on these up to 87%. Thanks very much, and that's the end.